RIOTEC. Since 2002, RIOTEC won the award. Marketed to 91 countries. Located in Taipei, Taiwan. Designed and manufactured in Taipei, Taiwan. Products provide solutions in 7 areas. Barcode engines and scan modules ready for you. Bluetooth pocket scanner and wearable set become to wearable barcode scanner. Easy carrying goods with both hands. Mobile barcode scanner, for iOS and Android phone. Turn your smartphone into a data collector. NBA Madison Square Garden ticket scanning. Wireless barcode scanner.
ILS630XX scanner and Cradle become 2 wireless barcode scanner.
Cradle as charging stand and Bluetooth receiver. Designed for retail and medical. POS barcode scanner. OM752XX series. High performance barcode scanner. Ideal for retail sales. FS562XX series. Ideal for retail sales too. By requested, we also can support OCR code and DPM code reading. Welcome OEM and ODM. Please visit our website for more detailed information.